Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on background syncing on the Google Chrome mobile app for your iOS or Android device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the three dot icon in the top right corner of the browser. And then you want to go down and select the settings gear button. And then scroll down again underneath advanced and you want to select site settings and then scroll down underneath content and you want to select the item that says background sync. Go ahead and select that. So if you want to enable or allow background sync, you want to toggle to the right. So click inside that oval until it's lit up blue and it should say allowed. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.